All right, so we have an action-packed episode tonight as tomorrow is a major catalyst for cryptocurrencies. We know the Fed's coming out. We have PCE data coming out. Cryptos are looking very juicy, very interesting. And in this video, we're going to be briefly talking about what's going to be happening tomorrow. But mostly, we're going to be taking a deep dive through technical analysis so I can share with you my thoughts of what is happening right now behind the scenes that nobody is sharing with you. Now, if you want to hear what's happening with your cryptocurrency portfolio, this video applies if you hold any cryptocurrency. Make sure you watch this video until the very end and consider giving this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrency content. Now, first and foremost, as you know on my main channel, I've been telling you all tomorrow is going to be the Fed speech. We have PCE numbers coming out, which if the PCE numbers come out and they show inflation is coming down, the markets are going to pump. I'm going to keep it very simple. If the Fed comes out and kind of reiterates something bullish on top of the PCE numbers, if they do come out positive in our favor, the crypto market will receive a double pump. But the PCE numbers could come out very bullish, and the Fed could come out and say something that they've already reiterated, which might not even really be anything. So in essence, they're not really going to be saying anything. I still think we're going to have a bullish reaction. Now, right now, traders are anticipating what's going to be happening tomorrow in a bullish way. They're buying. That's why cryptos and stocks are going up right now. We have the US dollar is going down. We have the NASDAQ. We have the S&P going up. And they're anticipating potential bullishness tomorrow. So there could be a leak out there revealing that the PCE numbers are going to become very bullish. And in those instances, that's why the whales, they get inside info. They will be buying up before particular events, or they'll be selling before particular events a lot of times because they already know they have the inside scoop. So understand that. Now, tomorrow could be completely bearish. This could be a fake out. There could be a lot of tricks being played right now. So just understand that when it comes to investing, it happens all the time where we get things wrong. We mess up because the whales, they play their games very good. They're experienced at their games, and that's what they do for a living. So just understand there's going to be a whole bunch of volatility tomorrow. I'm a bull, of course, but I am expecting bullishness tomorrow. Let me know if you are expecting bullishness or bearishness in the comments below tomorrow. Now, most importantly, we need to dive into the charts. I need to show you what is happening behind the scenes. And as we know, Bitcoin is looking pretty decent as it broke out of this symmetrical triangle pattern and is looking pretty decent. It's looking good, right? And we know that right now the Bitcoin dominance is continuing to lower. This is not very good for Bitcoin, but it's very good for altcoins because when the Bitcoin dominance keeps going lower and lower, we will see the altcoins like Ethereum and some other big altcoins lead the market. And right now, what is leading the market is, of course, Ethereum looking a lot more bullish as it is outperforming Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies. We do have some other altcoins breaking out like SHIBA Inu looking very good and other similar altcoins doing very good as well. But we're going to be focusing on Ethereum right now. Now, understand there's going to be a lot of volatility tomorrow. So these technical levels are not going to be as strongly supported, especially in these smaller ranges, because volatility will shoot us beyond any of these ranges very, very quickly, depending on what is said, whether it's bullish or bearish tomorrow. But what I am currently seeing in the charts right now is something very interesting. On the MACD, this is a fine-tuned MACD. You're not going to get this same type of pattern on your MACD, a regular MACD. This MACD here kind of calls out these crosses and reversals before a lot of regular MACDs. And where you're getting a little bit of a bearish cross, a little bit of a momentum cross here on the MACD. And this could be an indication that we could see a dip from our current levels. This is applicable to most cryptocurrencies. In addition to this, if we pull up the RSI, what I can show you is that we're seeing some type of bearish divergence here on the 4-hour time frame, which is a significant time frame. We're seeing an uptrend on the chart, but a bearish divergence here on the RSI, which is showing us that the price is weakening a little bit as we have been basically trading sideways all week. We really have not moved much. Yes, we've broken out. We looked good. We've bounced up a bit, but we really have not moved much. So I want to warn you that we are getting some bearish signs and signals right here that we could have a smaller correction before continuing to head up. And understanding this, it's not necessarily extremely important what we are seeing with these divergences right now, but what's going to be happening tomorrow can break us far out of these divergences and pump us to the moon, and also crash us to the moon just the opposite way. So just be prepared for that. Understand there's going to be a lot of volatility tomorrow, and depending on what is said, if it's a lot of bullishness, the Fed is dovish in their responses, the markets could be setting up for a massive move, especially with the Ethereum move, with the Ethereum merge taking place here very, very soon, as traders and everyone's going to be anticipating that in the entire crypto market. That's kind of why Bitcoin is not really performing very well right now, as a lot of people, investors and traders are focusing on the altcoins, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, XRP, and so forth. So be prepared for that. Understand the volatility, understand what's happening in the charts right now. Overall, we're still pretty bullish on the charts. I mean, if we zoom out in the longer time frames, we are bullish, and I still believe we are in an uptrend from this reversal here in the bottom. And I do believe that this crash that we did experience just about a week ago created a higher low that we have been experiencing in this uptrend. Despite on the local time frame, the smaller time frames like the 4 hour and under, we're pretty bearish if we consider this major drop, and we have been breaking down from current supports and forming lower highs and lower lows. But we have bounced up significantly and broken out of this bearish pattern. So we're going to see if this uptrend is going to continue, which I believe, in my opinion, is most likely going to continue over the next few weeks, especially as the Ethereum merge is less than basically 2 weeks away. It's just about 2 weeks away. So that's going to be it for this current video. Guys, thank you so much for staying to the end. Consider giving this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend or family member. And if you want to get profitable trade alerts, go ahead and check out the Patreon in the link in my video description. I also have a crypto course to teach you how to make 1 to 2% every single day. All the links will be in my video description. I highly recommend you check them out, as this is my second channel.